students, welcome to s.mathguru classes. So our main discussion is Laplace transform, solving some differential equation by using Laplace transform. So last video one problem it was given. Next we consider another problem. So using Laplace transforms, find the solution of the initial value problem y double dash plus 9y equal to 6 cos 3t, and initial condition given y of 0 equal to 2 and y dash 0 equal to 0. Now solution, now we want to solve this problem. Solution here, y double dash plus 9y equal to 6 cos 3t given. Taking L on both sides, Laplace transform on both sides, L of y, this is 6L cos 3t, we get this. And in first video, it was given L y double dash means s square y bar minus s y of 0 minus y dash 0. For solving this type of problem, we write in this way. It was given in video number 1. And L y bar, y means y bar. 6 cos 3t. This is s by s square plus 3 square. Because you know this formula, L cos 8t. This is s by s square plus a square. L cos 80 means s by s square plus a square. So a means 3, s by s square plus 3 square. So we get this. Now this is our initial condition given, since y of 0 equal to 2 and y dash 0 equal to 0. Putting this value here, we get s square y bar, s y of 0 is 2, y dash 0, this is 0, 9y bar equal to 6s by s square plus 9 we get. So this implies this is s square y bar plus 9y bar equal to, this is twice s by s square, twice s in right hand side, twice s plus 6s by s square plus 9. Just taking twice s on right hand side, this will be plus, and 6s by s square plus 9 is. So we get this one, and from these two taking y bar common, s square plus 9 y bar equal to twice s plus 6s by s square plus 9, and y bar equal to twice s by s square plus 9, 6s by s square plus 9 whole square. We dividing both sides by s square plus 9, then twice s by s square plus 9 and 6s by s square plus 9. So we get this one. Now next, this can be written as, so taking L inverse on both sides, taking L inverse, now L inverse y bar, taking both sides L inverse y bar, this is 2 outside, L inverse s by s square plus 9 means 3 square, s square plus 9 means 3 square, and this one L inverse 6s by s square plus 9 whole square. We get this. So this implies L inverse y bar means y, and s by s square plus a square, this is cos 8t, 3t. And this we can write, this is remain same, 6s by s square plus 9 whole square. We write this one remains same. This is number 1 we consider. So we consider this is number 1. Now L inverse 3 by s square plus 3 square. This equal to sine 3t. We know this formula. Because we know this, L inverse a by s square plus a square. This equal to sine at. We know this formula. So L inverse 3 by s square plus 3 square equal to sine 3t. Direct formula. Here a means 3. Now again you know this formula. Inverse Laplace transform of derivatives. From inverse Laplace transform of derivative, L inverse fs, this, if we multiplying this by minus 1 by t, then L inverse remains same. Within bracket we get dds of fs. We get this. This is the formula of inverse Laplace transform of derivative. L inverse fs given, if we multiplying this result by minus 1 by t, then L inverse dds of fs is given. So this result we multiplying by minus 1 by t. If we multiplying by minus 1 by t, then L inverse dds of 3 by s square plus 3 square. We get this. And sine 3t remains same. We write this. So this is division formula. We know this formula from lower class, ddx of fx by gx, quotient rule. This equal to denominator whole square. Denominator ddx of numerator minus numerator ddx of denominator. This is our formula. This is called division formula or quotient rule. Fx by gx, ddx of fx by gx, gx whole square, gx ddx of fx minus fx ddx of gx. Sometimes we write uv. So we assume this is fx, this one gx. So this will be minus 1 by t L inverse, using this formula fx by gx formula, s square plus 3 square whole square, s square plus 3 square dds of 3 dds of s square plus 3 square, and right hand side sine 3t. We get this. So this is fx by gx, gx whole square, gx ddx of fx minus fx ddx of gx. Now this minus t multiplying on right hand side, this implies L inverse denominator whole square, s square plus 3 square whole square, and this is s square plus 3 square into 0, because ddx of constant is 0, minus 3 into dds of s square is twice s plus 0, and on right hand side minus t sine twice t, 3t minus t. This minus t taking multiplying right hand side minus t sine twice t. So we get this one, and this is L inverse s square plus 3 square means 9 whole square, and this is 0 minus 6s. This equal to minus t sine 3t. So minus minus cancel, L inverse 6s by s square plus 9 whole square, this is t sine 3t. We get this. This value we putting here in equation number 1. 6s by s square plus 9 whole square, this value, just we get t sine 3t. Now 1 implies y equal to 2 cos 3t plus t sine 3t. So this value we get t sine 3t, and we putting t sine 3t, and this is 2 cos 3t plus t sine 3t. So this is our answer. So dear students, this type of problem is very easy but most important. Anyone will come in your exam. In BTech course, Laplace given, 3 types of problem will come. Find inverse Laplace, Laplace first, inverse Laplace, convolution theorem, and solve the differential equation by using Laplace transform. So this type of problem most important, and 5 marks is bound. So these are very simple. So I hope you are all enjoying with me. If you are all enjoying, then please share the video to other friends also, and they will get some interest. And like the video and click the bell icon. Thank you.